Hello again. We got one error in the previous lesson. I couldn't see the reason for the error in the lesson, but I understood after the lesson. The reason for the error was that all divs in the for each loop got the active class value. Active class is, where is active class? Active class is here. Carousel hyphen item and active class. If we delete the active class, then it will work, but I tried this before the lesson and it is not correct to delete the active class. We can make the first incoming data the active class and call the others normally. Then this problem is solved. Let's try it. We need add model with list slider, okay, and we need one count variable. Add int count is excuse me, okay, good, 0. And this is carousel, this is okay, this is carousel area. We need for each loop, add for each var item in model, okay, and if count increase 1, and if count is 1, so this must be, and as this must be, okay, good. And you can delete source at item.image URL. You can delete this here at item.title, okay, products, services, okay, and you can delete this here at item.image URL and item.title, okay. We can, let's try Ctrl Shift W. I'm waiting for open. Go to database, FoodyDB. Where is FoodyDB? This here, okay. And as you can see, this is first, second, and third slider is ready. Good. Slider section works as we want. The slider section is also ready. Next is the about section. Let's create the about section. The about we need about section. The about section is here, okay. Close these tabs and close default controller. Go to Web Components, go to Default Web Components folder, right click on folder, add new class. Our class name is underscore default about section component partial. Add click, inherit Web Components, control dot using choose Microsoft.ASP.NET Core MVC public. I will component results invoke, okay, good. And private read only I about service with underscore about service control dot, we need generate constructor, okay, var values underscore about service dot tget all return view values, okay, good. Choose class name and right click, copy class name, go to views and go to share it and go to components, right click on components, add new folder. Our folder name is paste class name, underscore default about section component, partial right click, add new view, raise a view. Our view name is must be default. Okay, add click. I'm waiting for create. I hope you can understand me easily. And at model list, close this tab and again open list. We need about entity. Okay, good. And at await component dot invoke, and we need paste it. Right click, cut this code, right click, paste it. Okay, good. You can use list or not list, add for each what item in model. Okay, and we need image source, image title, add item dot title. Okay, you can change this here, add item dot description. Okay, we need one image, we need one image source, add item dot image URL. No, okay, not problem. We can use that statically. What is our template folder? This here, right click, copy name and paste it. Okay, good. Go to index and Ctrl Shift W. As you can see, about is ready. Test 2. Hello, how are you tomorrow? Okay. Go to about and about list update. We can change this here. About title text, who are we, and no, only who are we is enough. Okay, who are we? Okay, about description is we can prepare an about article for this. For example, all of our products are grown organically and delicious vegetables and fruits, completely natural fruit, completely natural fruit, juice, legumes, apples, for example, apples and cucumbers and many more fruits and vegetables are prepared for you. Okay, shipped and delivered to you quickly. Okay, our farmers in Italy, Germany, France and Turkey, shipped to all over Europe and the world. Okay. Finally, healthy food is good. Okay, update about and go to about list, refresh on page. You can see who we are and our about description is work. Good. I hope you can understand me easily. Thank you for watching this video. See you next lesson. Have a good day. Have a good time.